In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert any of these drill bits into an impact driver. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the existing bit. So push forward on the collar, you can remove our driver bit here, place that down. So you'll notice that different drill bits come with different shanks. So we've got a smooth shank drill bit here, and we've also got two hex shank drill bits. One's a drill bit for wood, and one's a multi-purpose drill bit for wood and masonry. So both these drill bits with the hex shank can be inserted directly into our drill, but we'll tell you in a moment how you can insert these smooth shanks. So simply pull your collar forwards, and the hex shank will locate directly into the drill. This is due to this notch on the top end. So we'll attach a link to a set of wood drill bits that will fit straight into your impact driver below. But if you've got a load of these old bits lying around, then the only way you can connect a traditional drill bit to an impact driver is to use an adapter chuck. There isn't another method of doing it. So in order to fit your adapter, you'll notice it has a hex shank there. You simply pull the collar forward, attach the adapter, and now you can insert any spade bit, regular drill bit, hole saw into your impact driver, and you can use it then as a regular drill. Hope that's helped you fit a drill bit into your Black & Decker impact driver. Thanks for watching.